Andrew Topolsky here.
And John Leister of Dealzinity.
Dealzinity, yeah.
Yes.
Look at that right behind us. We got a new property under contract and it is a probate. What are we gonna do with it?
This is one that we're gonna be remodeling. As you guys know in this industry, it's simply called the fix and flip.
Fix and flip, sounds juicy. Let's get into it. Show us around, John.
All right, we're out of the Metro Phoenix area. Pretty much though, we buy anywhere throughout the state of Arizona. So this house here is in South Phoenix. It's about a $350,000 lower income neighborhood. We're knocking down all these trees. We're gonna be planting a lawn here. We're gonna be taking down these old planter structures here. This house is gonna be painted, landscaped. It's gonna be a complete transformation. So this is a house that we're looking to sell for $360,000 after we remodel it. Our typical business model when we take on a fix and flip is to make about 8 to 10% minimum on a fix and flip project. So what that means is if we're selling a house for $360,000, we're looking to make $36,000 as a profit, and we're looking to turn a house in under 6 months, 3 months ideally. You might look at this kitchen and see that there's a significant amount of damage to this cabinet here. And if I go ahead and I open up this here, you'll see we got some water damage there. It's gonna be hard to see on the video, but below each cabinet where I'm kicking with my foot is called a kick plate. The kick plates around the bottom of these cabinets are in pretty terrible condition. By not replacing these cabinets, this is probably a $9,500 to $12,500 cabinet set, and we can make this look brand new for under $1,000. I like to put a few extra details into certain areas of the home, like a kitchen countertop, and this place will have brand new stainless steel appliances, even if I think I can get away with white or black, because I want my house to sell quick. I want to bring you back here because a nice thing about this house is when it was built, it was originally a 3-bedroom, 1-bath house. But there have been additions added throughout the years, which is very beneficial to the value. One thing, and I try to really stick to this model, is any house I get involved in taking down and doing fix and flips, I want there to be a minimum of 3 bedrooms and a minimum of 2 bathrooms, because that's really what the majority of buyers are looking for in this market, and those homes will sell faster to a family. Here's where we want to get real creative, and I have not yet decided what it is I want to do with this. In my opinion, and if you love this style, I apologize if this is offensive, but I find this to be very ugly and very outdated.
How much value did this addition add to it?
That's a great question. You know, typically on an appraisal, I'd say that the addition of a second bathroom probably adds close to $15,000 in value. And being now that you've added a second living room with approximately 500 plus additional square feet, probably adds about $35,000 to $45,000 of value to this house. We budget $750 per window. We're getting these done for about $625 a piece. And hey, anybody watching this video that needs a connection to any contractors to do the kind of work at the pricing that I'm talking about, please, there'll be some contact information at the end of the video. Reach out to us. We encourage it. I want my guys to stay busy. So if you're doing fix and flips in the Phoenix area and you need contractors that can get stuff done at great prices, please, I encourage you to give me a call. We have the third room here. Voila. You know, closet. Again, we got the closet door, just needs to be hung, painted, new hardware on it. I'm gonna take you guys out back, and on the way out there, I'm gonna show you one of the most exciting things I found about this house. This used to be a carport. What I'm excited about here is that there's enough space in here that this can be a 4th bedroom. It's currently not considered a 4th bedroom because this isn't a closet. This is actually a laundry room. Well, I'm gonna get a little bit creative. I'm gonna get rid of this door here and create a closet space right here, and then close this in. And on the other side of this here, which I'll show you if you come on over here. Now it's a block wall right behind this fridge, which we're getting rid of. We actually have a guy that can cut into this block wall put a door here. So this would be a 4th bedroom, and this will be a laundry room. So a 4th bedroom will add about $20,000 on the value of a house to $30,000. All right, so this is the backyard of the house, obviously, and it is atrocious back here. I mean, take a look at this tree right here. It's a complete and utter eyesore. We've got the hot water heater sitting directly outside, and behind me is an alleyway. Interesting thing, some neighborhoods here in Phoenix, that's where the trash collection is, in the back alley. But you also get a lot of people that walk through those alleys. And to me, you're just asking for disaster. Like, oh, you know, we're not home today. Come, steal my hot water heater, scrap the copper. I mean, that stuff happens all the time. Little bit of rotted wood and damage, not too bad. You see this fence, it got blown down after we purchased it. So we have insurance.
Here again. This is a probate, and when I get on Reddit or I'm on Facebook looking through like real estate posts and I see all the comments and everything, they're terrified to call probate owners. They're terrified to call heirs of estates. If we didn't call heirs of estates and hunt probates, out of our 500 deals we've done, we'd probably not have 400 of them. That's how important probate is. Now, you just got to speak to these people as humans, right? 2/3 of all probates are going to sell. 1/3 are going to keep it in the family. So it's about catching them at the right time, all right? And just being human, having a little empathy in your heart. But at the end of the day, it's money waiting for them. So let's go get it.